The air cleaner assembly consists of the air filter base, the choke plate and lever, the air filter, and the air filter cover. The kit can be used to service tools with a broken choke, broken base, or a missing or broken cover. Most problems with the air cleaner assembly are the result of accidental damage, such as dropping the tool or damage caused by something falling on it. Replacing the air cleaner assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Now I can remove the air filter. Now remove the two screws that secure the air filter base and the carburetor. Now remove the breather line from the air filter base. Now I can install the new air filter assembly. First, I'll separate the cover from the base. The kit includes a rubber check valve. I'll insert that into this location on the base. Now I'll reconnect the breather line to the air filter base. Now I'll reassemble the air filter base to the carburetor. I'll insert the screws through the air filter base, then align it with the carburetor, and secure both pieces with the screws. The air filter kit comes with a new air filter. Before I can install it, I need to oil it. To oil the filter, I'll place it in a plastic bag. Then I'll take some 2-cycle engine oil and pour a small amount onto the filter in the bag. I don't want to saturate the filter, just apply an even coat across it. I'll work the oil into the filter. Then I'll remove the filter from the bag and place it on a rag or a paper towel. Then I'll blot the excess oil out of the filter. Now I can install the filter onto the air filter base. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to install a new air cleaner assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.